Hey everybody, I'm Toni Taylor with Interconnect Mortgage, and I'm here with my good friend Adam Haas with All Temp Solutions. It's AC, heating, cooling, and pool heaters for electric pool heaters. So Adam and I were talking, and of course it's cooling off a little bit in South Florida. So it's actually a really good time of year for people to start considering their maintenance and getting their units looked at now when they're not working quite as hard and it's not so important for you to have your AC blasting to get ahead of things. But Adam, tell us a little bit about the company, where you guys are located, what your service area is.
I want to thank you very much, Toni. I appreciate your time. So All Temp Solutions is a base company out of Palm Beaches. We have a small brick and mortar office over on Lake Worth and Congress. We cover all of the Palm Beaches, from Boca to Jupiter to Cuesta, from Palm Beach Island to Waxahachie. We will go a little bit north and a little bit south, depending on where you're located. We've been in business for over 9 years now, with over 20 years experience within the industry. We do everything from service, repairs, maintenance plans, installs, new installs, change outs, ductwork, indoor air quality control, and like Toni said, electric. We do generally about 80% residential, as well as light commercial.
That was going to be one of my questions. It's like you took my thunder away from me. No, that's great. So what does light commercial mean?
Light commercial is, for us, it's 3,000, 4,000 square feet or less.
Okay.
As far as service and repairs or change outs, a commercial is fine. It's the build out. We're not equipped to build out something more than 35,000 square feet.
Okay. So when we talk about maintenance in our home AC units, what is the recommended maintenance schedule that we should be following?
Maintenance should be done twice a year.
Okay. 6
months apart. And it's important, just like you rotate your tires, change your oil, it's important to keep up with the maintenance on your air conditioner. At the end of the day, besides your house and your vehicles, your AC is probably the next most expensive.
Yeah.
And better to take care of it before it breaks.
Yeah, I think, to your point, you're right. It's one of the biggest mechanical piece components in your home. And if you have a house, I mean, typically life expectancy of an AC unit today, if you install a brand new one in a residential, what is a good life expectancy on a unit?
About 10 to 12 years.
Okay. If you don't maintenance that unit, how does that affect?
You'll be lucky if you get 7 to 8 years out of it.
Okay.
Like anything else, it gets dirty, it dries up, all the components that take an oil or lubricant or dry, a lot of friction, heat. Don't forget, we're being in South Florida, you're running your AC 14, 18 hours a day, 6 months or more a year, which is essentially nonstop. That wears out components, that dries up areas that should be lubricated. It uses refrigerant. So there are a lot of aspects to keeping it clean and running smoothly. And most of all, it's the cost to repair. The cost to repair is so expensive now. Getting parts has become such an arduous task that the less issues you have in life, in general, is better. So why not have one less costly issue with your air conditioning?
Well, and I don't know about you, but I've had this happen in my life. The AC breaks on July 4th weekend, and then now you're paying holiday fees, you're paying all kinds of stuff, if you're just proactive on the situation, number one, you can avoid those emergency calls, which are going to cost you more money, and you're also going to pair that with longevity of your investment into your AC unit.
Absolutely. We had 3 phone calls the evening before Thanksgiving, in particular a restaurant, and 2 calls Thursday morning. And when we go back in the system, they haven't serviced since they installed it years ago. Timing stinks, but it's inevitable. It's going to happen. So.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to me about the maintenance. Adam, how do people reach you and your company? What is the best way for them to call for service or for the need of a new installation or estimates?
Real easy. We have an automated system, 561-633-5410. get number one for Adam. I'll take care of scheduling, advising, sending you estimates, whatever you need. If it's not me, someone will answer. Someone will get back to you. 561-633-5410 is our number. We are available 7 days a week, and we return phone calls very promptly. So
Awesome.
we should never have an issue getting in touch with us.
Awesome. I appreciate it. Your home is it's your biggest investment, right? So it's our goal at Interconnect Mortgage to bring you knowledge and expertise and introduce you to people like Adam so that you can take care of that investment and overall protect your investment. So get that service maintenance done now so you're not at the crack of summer. And your 6 months is going to run around. That's going to put you right in front of summer, and then you're going to be ahead of it so you can rest easy that you're not going to be without air conditioning in the middle of the heat waves.
And you want to get it done now because it's cooler, it's not running as hard, it's coming off a 6 month run.
Art cycle.
And then we'll be ready to hit you up again come June, July, which is the way you want to do it. Beginning of summer and going into winter.
Okay, awesome. Well, I appreciate it. Give Adam a call. I'm Toni with Interconnect Mortgage. If you need anything, we're here to help. Thanks a lot.